Good morning, children. Welcome back to our English class. This is Shilpa here, and today we are going to start a new lesson from your grammar. Lesson 9, Degrees of Comparison. Comparisons means to compare. Compare what? Compare two or more things, animals or places by using suitable degrees of adjectives. Children, we compare animals and things and places in terms of speed, in terms of size and in terms of area. Now let me try give you examples, then you can understand better. Here is a sentence. A rabbit is faster than a tortoise. Here we have two animals. Animals are rabbit and tortoise. Now in terms of speed, rabbit moves faster than a tortoise. So we are comparing these two animals and we use ER form of adjective. Children, observe in this sentence adjective is fast. So we add alphabets ER for this adjective because of we comparison between two animals only. Understood? Faster, bigger. Okay? Let me give another example. The auditorium is the biggest room in our school. We have staff rooms, we have classrooms, we have computer rooms and we have office room. In all of these rooms, we have the one room is biggest and that is auditorium. Yes, we have to compare the other rooms in terms of size. So here we add adjective for EST alphabets. Okay? Here comparison between two more than two things. That's why we use a superlative adjective. That means EST form of adjective. Understood, children? Biggest, fastest. Children, remember that there are 3 degrees of comparisons. Positive, comparative and superlative. Here, under the positive, describes the adjectives. For example, ripe mango is sweet. What is the adjective in this sentence, children? Sweet. This is the positive statement. Okay? Under the comparative, compares two adjectives. How many adjectives? Two adjectives. Okay? For example, ripe mango is sweeter than green mango. Observe, children, ripe mango, green mango. Between these two mangoes compares. Okay? So that's why only two types of mangoes comparison had. That's why we use adjective sweeter. That means add the adjectives ER form. Understood? Next one. Superlative. Under the superlative compares 3 or more adjectives. How many adjectives, children, here? 3 or more adjectives. For example, ripe mango is the sweetest among all other fruits. Here observe, children, ripe mango is the sweetest among all other fruits. Comparison here, all other fruits. That's why we use here EST form of degrees. Understood? Sweetest. We add adjective for this adjective EST letters. Okay? Here only two comparisons between two types of fruits comparison. Here 3 or more, that means all other fruits. Okay. Children, look at the table. Positive, comparative, superlative. Under the comparative, we compare two things. We use a comparative adjective. That means add alphabets ER for the adjective. Okay. Under the superlative, we compare more than two things. We use a superlative adjective. For that adjective, we add EST alphabets. Understood? Low, lower, lowest. High, higher, highest. Happy, happier, happiest. Here observe children, end of the word Y. In that place, we have replaced with I. Understood? In the comparative degree and the superlative degree also. IER, IEST. Understood? Good, better, best. Here change the word in the comparative degree and the superlative degree also. Good, better, best. And next one, beautiful. We don't have beautifuler, beautifulest. So, some words before we use more. More beautiful, most beautiful. Children, remember, we can add more before the adjective between two comparisons only. More than two comparisons, we add most before the adjective. Understood? Like that, serious, more serious, most serious. So all of you open page 34 in the grammar book, children. Degrees of comparison. I hope all of you understood what is the degrees of comparison. When we compare two things, we use comparative adjectives. That means add ER letter for the adjective. When we compare more than two things, we use a superlative adjective. That means add EST letters for the adjective. Okay? Observe here. Look at the pictures and write sentences in the comparative and superlative degrees. See the first one. A bus is fast. Here adjective is fast, children. A train is faster than a bus. A plane is fastest of the three. Here observe fast, faster, fastest. Okay? Here in the second sentence, we have to compare the bus with the train. Comparison between two things only. So that we add ER. Okay? That means comparison speed. Here in terms of speed we comparison. Train between bus. In the next sentence, a plane is the fastest of three. Here observe what is the superlative form here? Fastest. Why? Because here comparison two more things. Okay? That's why add EST letters for the adjective. Fast, faster, fastest. Okay? In the second picture, Motu, Bunty, Chunky. Here Motu is fat. Okay? Yes. In the next one, Bunny is fatter than Motu. Observe children. Motu is fat. Bunny is fatter than Motu. Okay? Observe the size. Here in terms of size we add the adjectives. Between two people we add just ER for this adjective. Fat, fatter. Who's between two people? Bunny and Motu. Okay? Chunky is the fattest of the three. Who is the fattest person here? Chunky. Okay. In terms of size, we add here est for this adjective. Fat, fatter, fattest. Here more than two people. That's why we add est alphabets. Understood? Moving on to next one. See children here. A rat is a small animal. What is the adjective in this sentence? Small. Yes. A cockroach is smaller than a rat. Cockroach is smaller than a rat. Okay. Between two animals we add here er letter for this adjective. Small, smaller. Okay. In terms of size. Understood? An ant is the smallest of the three. This is the smallest one. Okay. So here two more comparisons. That's why we add est for this adjective. Understood? Small, smaller, smallest. Okay, moving on to next page children. Page number 34. Let's revise. Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Already we have learnt short, shorter, shortest. Under the comparative degree, we add er alphabets for the adjective. Under the superlative degree, we add est letters for the adjective. Okay? Short, shorter, shortest. Young, younger, youngest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Brave, braver, bravest. Okay? Large, larger, largest. Next one. Observe children, and with y we replace with I letter. IER, happier. IEST, happiest. Okay? Heavy, heavier, heaviest. So remaining one, try on your own children. These are the comparative degree and superlative degree. Comparative degree between two things or places or animals. Okay? And superlative degree, we can use two more things or two more animals or two more places. Okay? Children, learn more. Some more words here. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Some adjectives before children, we can use more and most. Two comparisons between we use more. Two more comparisons between we use most. Understood? Wonderful, more wonderful, most wonderful. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Interesting, more interesting, most interesting. Useful, more useful, most useful. Yes. Important, more important, most important. Good. Some words are changed, children. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. These are the degrees of comparisons. Okay? Moving on to next page. Page number 35. In the reading session, we have a story. Vikas, Neeraj and Rohan are good friends, but they are very different from each other. Here three members children. These are good friends. Who are they? Vikas, Neeraj and Rohan. Okay? But those people are different from each other. Vikas is tall, but Neeraj is taller than Vikas. Rohan is the tallest of the three. Observe children here. Adjectives underlined already. Tall, taller, tallest. Vikas is tall, but Neeraj is taller than Vikas. Here observe comparison between two people, Vikas and Neeraj. That's why we use adjective add er. That means comparative degree. Taller. Okay? Rohan is the tallest of the three. Comparison more than two. We can use here EST alphabets for this adjective. Tallest. Okay? Tall, taller, tallest. Vikas is intelligent. Neeraj is more intelligent than Vikas. But Rohan always stands first in the class. Here observe children. Intelligent, more intelligent. Here a comparison between two people. That's why we can use more intelligent. Understood? Teachers like him because he is the most intelligent. Okay, Rohan is most intelligent fellow. That's why teachers like most. Intelligent, more intelligent and most intelligent. Understood? All the three friends take part in sports. So these are people all take part in the sports also, children. Rohan is a fast runner. Very good. Neeraj runs faster than Rohan. But Vikas runs the fastest of the three. Here observe fast, faster and fastest. Rohan is a fast runner. Neeraj runs faster than Rohan. That's why between the two people comparison we use faster. Comparative degree. More than two people comparison we use superlative degree, children. Here fastest. Fast, faster and fastest. Okay? Neeraj is always cheerful. Vikas has a smiling face. Rohan is full of fun. The three friends are the happiest children in town. That is the story between these three people. Here we have given some sentences from the above story, children. So, find out which one is right or wrong. Here see first one. Neeraj is the tallest of the three. This is wrong. Who is the tallest person in the story, children? Here Rohan is the tallest of the three. So that's why we put wrong mark in the bracket. Rohan is the most intelligent boy in the class. Yes, Rohan likes very much teachers. Yes, put tick mark in the bracket. Vikas is not intelligent. Vikas is not intelligent. No, Vikas is intelligent fellow. So, put wrong mark in the bracket. Rohan is a fast runner. Yes, it is right one. So, put tick mark in the bracket. Moving on to next one, children. Let's write. Read the chart below. Here we have given a chart. Read the chart first. Name, age, height and weight. Here some comparisons are there, children. Observe carefully. Under the name, we have given three names. Preeti, Prabhu, Shashi. Okay. Under the age, Preeti have 6 years and Prabhu have 7 years. Shashi have 8 years. So, under the height, 128 centimeters Preeti height, 130 centimeters Prabhu height, 132 centimeters Shashi height. And next weight, 25 kgs Preeti, 28 kgs Prabhu and 27 kgs Shashi. Okay. Now, here given some blanks. Fill these following blanks with the correct form of the adjective. For our help, adjective also given in the bracket. Okay. First one. Shashi is the oldest of the three. Okay. Here observe. Here Shashi have 8 years. That's why oldest, EST, superlative degree. Understood, children? Comparison between three people. That's why we can use EST. Next one. Preeti is the shortest of the three. Yes, Preeti height observe. Where is Preeti? Here. Preeti height 128 centimeters only. That's why she is shortest from the three. Next one. Prabhu is heavier than Preeti. Here observe children, heavy, last letter Y. In that place we use I. Okay? I-E-R. Prabhu is heavier than Preeti. Comparison between two people only. Preeti and Prabhu. That's why we use ER. That means comparative degree. Okay? Next one. Preeti is the youngest of the three. Youngest. See, observe here. Who is the youngest person here? Preeti. Yes. 6, 7, 8 years. So, Preeti is youngest of the three. Superlative degree. Preeti is not as tall as Prabhu. Comparison two people only in the negative sentence. That's why we can use here tall only. Understood, children? Okay. That's all for today's section, children. Everyone read and practice these grammar points in the grammar book. Lesson 9, Degrees of Comparisons.